Everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Driving Professor. For those of you who are actually new to this channel, I am your host, East Rashid. I've been a professional driver for the past 21 and a half years. Not driving tractor trailers, driving different various buses, charter buses, transit buses. You name it, I did it pretty much. So, I've been doing this for I have over 2 million miles and no chargeable accidents, like no pretty much preventable accidents. And I explain what a preventable accident is if you go look at my other videos. All right, so today's video is going to be about how not to hit a pedestrian. Basically, don't run over anybody. And for those of you who actually listen to these videos, I said it before, there's no excuses for actually hitting nobody for the most part. 99% of the time, there's no excuses. We're gonna give you key indicators, what to look for, and how to read body language here, and avoid hitting people so your subconscious is not screaming at you. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so right now, there's no excuse for this. This one is actually totally preventable. This white car right here is actually stopped right here. So you gotta, with the brake lights on, so you gotta assume that it's a crosswalk. There's signs over here saying pedestrian crossing. You have to get the big picture when you're driving. Look 12 to 15 seconds ahead. As a matter of fact, if you were looking if this person was looking 12 to 15 seconds ahead, they could actually see the person walking right from over here. So definitely get the big picture. Don't look, a foot in front of you. Get the big picture. If you can actually look a half a mile, that actually helps. And remember too, the weather over here is raining, so people tend to look down. We don't know the wind situation here. It can be windy. You have to drive for other people. I always say this: treat people like they are 2 to 3 years old. Some people you just don't know what type of frame of mind they are in. They could have mental problems. There's times they can kill themselves. They're not thinking. There's a lot of different factors, a lot of different variables. So get the big picture when you're driving. This person should be able to see this person. If you're looking from even way before this car, you will see this person actually crossing here. But let's move on to the next. So the same thing in this type of situation, though. If you're looking, well, for one, the person's actually driving way too fast. Look like he's doing 50, 60 miles an hour, but even if you're going to do that, you still have to get the big picture when you're driving. If you're doing that, again, if you're looking 12 to 15 seconds ahead, maybe 20 seconds ahead, again, at the crosswalk, slow down, hit the brakes, cover the brakes. This person didn't even do that. He hit the brakes right after he actually hit them. This is actually deplorable right here. This person actually lose their license. They shouldn't even be allowed to even drive ever again. And I know, I get people from other countries actually watching this video here, and I'm in the United States, and we get people from like Ukraine, India. I know it's supposed to be about second chances, but you have to understand, vehicles are a deadly weapon, and it should be used responsibly. All right, so let's look at a couple more here, and then I guess we'll wrap this one up here. I guess I don't know what to say about this one. I don't know if the person is texting, but or they would assume that the person actually saw the car coming. They'll actually wait for them. Listen, we don't make any assumptions, when we're driving. We gotta always assume that the person doesn't see us. So at the crosswalk, you gotta read the person's body language. And I'll probably get on the road. I'll get the dash cam out and demonstrate personally how to do this. But make sure the person actually sees you. Try honking the horn. Maybe right around here, you want to start honking the horn to see if you actually get their attention. If that doesn't work, then you have to slow down. You have to actually brake. Never be in a hurry. I mean, slow and steady actually wins the race. You're going to be here for at least 6 to 7 hours, opposed to just waiting a couple of minutes and actually letting them cross. So just actually take your time out here. I gave an analogy on the last video in terms of how many miles it actually takes to get. It's not really that big of a difference if you give a person a couple of minutes across the street. Just again, never assume that they actually see you. But, I mean, this is the first time I'm watching it with you guys here. Maybe I'll take more notes because I know there's gonna be other things that actually come to mind. Just like that when you freestyle. All right, so let's look at another one here. Yeah, again, see, in the United States, it looks like this country here, you have to yield to the pedestrians. For the most part, especially here in the United States, they actually have the right of way, regardless. I don't know what these people are thinking, man. Guys and gals, you have to slow down for people. You have to slow down for people. And they're in the crosswalk, and you can see this person is crossing without paying attention. Yes, should he be looking? Yes, he should be looking, but you have to be the much more responsible person here. And yeah, this is not good over here. This is really a stupid accident over here. I don't want to say the person should end up driving it. Hopefully he'll learn from his mistakes, but this is and I guess he will learn. Sometimes people have to learn the hard way. All right, let's look at one more about this one. All right, so this person is in a hurry. You can tell right now he's in a hurry. He's not even slowing down, and this person should actually wait. He's actually wrong too, or she's actually wrong. I can't see whether it's a man or a woman. But once there's a baby here involved, man, you have to slow down, man. I don't know what he was actually thinking. Slow down, slow down. It takes a couple of minutes to actually slow down. Oh man. Ooh. Yeah, hopefully the kids are okay. Again, they should have had the kids in the seatbelt there, not stroller. But that's not good. We're gonna wrap this up over here. I'm gonna try to keep these things short. If you're new, please like, comment, subscribe, share it. Sharing is actually caring, and when you share, the universe gives back to you. That's certainly a promise. All right, guys. Peace out.